got on the water. I don't even know when it is. Middle of September, end of September. We haven't been out in a minute since June. So, launched the boat. Trying to find out a couple things. We got a little bit of water in the bilge. But it's from, I think it's from the little ice chest right here leaking, maybe. I hear a drip. I don't see anything. Just a tiny bit. We're gonna go out here and catch them. Still hot. Supposed to be 100 today. I don't know what the water's doing. 80 degrees water temperature. Here we are on the first spot. I'm gonna start out with this thing right here, little square bill, 6 cents. Alright, we're on our first point here. If you can hear me, I'm throwing this 75X 6 cents bait out here. They say fish points 20 feet where I am, so it's probably not too deep up there. It's already hot. Kyle's already out here with his wake boat. It's getting totally tubular. Throwing his wake. Surfing. 8 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be a day. But it's nice and calm. Cherish these days. It's been windy all week. Today's been the first day. It's been good to come out here. So, can't really complain. Oh, there's the bottom right there. See this point coming out here a long ways, so let's see if there's anything lingering. I'm gonna go back in this cove a little bit. I've never been in here. My other honey holes over there, but I'm gonna try this spot first. See if we can pick one up. Oh, it's a little fouled. Fixed itself. Oh boy, first fish of the day. This is a good one. Look at this little dude, boy. Oh, son, he done swallow that whole little minnow right there. Look at that little guy. What are you doing, little buddy? Huh? Come here. Let me get you off of there. Hey. I thought you was getting you some little breakfast, huh? Look at that dude. Oh, he is a giant. Oh, Betty Brim. What kind of fish is that, people? Comment below. I don't even know. See you later, buddy. First fish of the day. And I thought I had me a big one. No, I'm just kidding. There's a little one. Then picked up the jig after I caught my little fish on that little Kitech Ned rig. This looks like a good jig spot to me. A few bushes. I like these rocks over here. Those are always good places for me. Got a nice little tree or something down here in the water. So we're gonna throw this jig for a little bit. I think this is a dirty jigs. I'm not sure. Purple and brown. It's good color here. See if we can catch one on this jig. Oh, got a little backlash here. The giant spider web over there. We do not want to get hung up over there, girls. I will not be going to get that. There's a giant spider web over there. I think they're just working on the web. There's a big one in the middle, and that one over there. We will not be messing around with those jokers. Have a great day, spiders. See ya. Something's eating me up down there, people. I got a different color on, a different little jig, smoke hologram, black plate or something. Something's eating me up down on here. Kevin went by on the daggone fishing pontoon. It's gonna be a heck of a wait coming in here in a minute. Well, the second fish of the day. Didn't even know he was hooked. He swallowed this little guy. But at least it's a bass. At least it's a bass. Come here, little buddy. I'm gonna have to get the pliers. Oh, that's okay, buddy. I got you. It is the little guy. He's bleeding a little bit. Hey, stop it. Oh, it came right out. Little bitty guy. There he goes. Little guy. He's gonna be okay. Second fish of the day. Hey, they're getting bigger. Look out now.